Okay, this video is going to be how to get free leads from Facebook groups, Nextdoor, and everything else. So what I recommend every business owner do is to join every single community group that you can. For example, for me, I'm in Go Gilbert, Mesa, Neighbors, Mesa Living, Everything East Mesa. There's tons of different little groups, Chandler Living, Chandler. And every single day, there's tons of people asking for different services. House cleaning. Right now, I've been doing some advertising for a house cleaner that's local to me. He's been doing a house cleaning service for me in exchange for marketing. And so the house cleaner ones show up first for me because I've been interacting with those posts. So because I interact with those posts, Facebook algorithm learns that I want to see posts about cleaning. So it's really important. Go through and join every single Facebook group. And then once you do, go into the search function and then search for whatever you want to be known for. So garage door. And then even if it's an old post, go through and interact with it. Tag yourself. And the best way to tag yourself is to go to Google Maps, pull up your GMB, click this share button, click copy, and then you can write whatever you want. Say we're local to the community and we'll give you an honest price. And then paste. And it's going to show the name, the number, and the link to the GMB. And by doing this, you're going to get a backlink. The traffic will go to your GMB, and that helps with SEO. This obviously isn't actually one, so I'm going to take that off. But by doing that, now every time you log into Facebook, you're going to see more and more people asking for garage door service just from the different Facebook groups that you joined. So spend 30 minutes, join every single Facebook group. There's probably thousands of Facebook groups if you go through all the different communities that you could be part of. Just think, there's probably some for McKinney, there's probably some for Dallas, there's Prosper, Plano, etc. If you just go through and search for groups. Let me go back out. So let's look, Plano, Texas. And then you go here, go groups, Plano neighborhood, Plano community guide, etc. You could join all of these, and they're going to ask you if you actually live there, and sometimes, and etc. Then once you do that, go through to search through for your keywords. Not want air cleaning. Okay. Let me just do that. See if they'll accept me immediately. Some of them do, some of them don't. Once you get accepted, then you're going to search for your keywords. You're going to interact with every single one. Comment on them, like them, just to train the Facebook algorithm that this is what you want to be shown. You want your Facebook for business, and you want to be shown every single time someone searches for a recommendation on whatever your service is, which in this case, it's garage door. That is going to give you a lot of leads just from people asking. Another tip you can do is Nextdoor. Nextdoor is the same exact thing. You can go to neighborhoods and you can join every single one of these neighborhoods. You can click follow, and then people post in the neighborhood. And so they're going to post recommendations. They're going to post, see, look at this. If anybody needs remodeling, painting, framing, etc., you can just post that like yourself. And so whenever you're making a post, just post it in Nextdoor, different communities, post it in Facebook communities if they allow posts. But the best thing to do is ask your customers when they leave a review, say, hey, I really appreciate you guys working with us. We're a small business and we're always trying to grow. We would really appreciate if you could share your experience in a Facebook group or in a Nextdoor group if they're active on Nextdoor. Some of these Nextdoor neighborhoods suck. Like there's just not that many people using them. Sometimes you'll get an area that has a lot of people on Nextdoor and a lot of people commenting and reacting. And when you have that, you can get a lot of leads just from a few posts, from customers posting about you. So don't completely discard it, but Facebook groups are definitely, on average, more interactive and better. You'll get sometimes 50 to 100 people responding. And if you write, tag your GMB, not very many people are tagging their GMB. They're just writing random stuff. So tag your GMB in it, write something heartfelt, and then DM the person. Ask them, to just message them saying, hey, I'm a garage door company in your area, I'd be happy to give you a quote. You might get some target kickers, you know, Facebook sometimes has cheap people, but you're going to get a lot of leads, and some of those leads are going to pan out, and it doesn't take any effort at all because you're going to check your Facebook anyways, so might as well be getting leads from it.